You can call him the annoyed kitty. Kitty.
Kittens. I'm doing it right now.
It doesn't like his face wet.
Okay. Much better. Silly cat. I'll wash the screen after this.
Kitties. Kittens?
Kitten!
Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Not a happy camper.
Oh, can I see that word that makes me laugh?
Kitten poop? I think he's going to be pooping kitten poop. Huh? Kitten poop? Nails are still sharp, though. Kitties. Kittens. His back legs have gotten strong. Here's kitties. Here's a kitten.
Kitten Minton.
Not liking the water.
Kitty.
Tamara.
What?
This kitty's not going to like this.
What?
He's not going to like you after this.
He won't see it usually because he won't understand. Ah!
The kitty?
Yeah.
The kitty won't understand. Alrighty. I think that kitten's done.
Kitten Minton.
Talk about a wet kitty. Okay, say goodbye now. I need a towel.
Bye.
Get the towel from up there, please. Please. Tamara,
What?
give me the towel from up there.
Towel?
White towel. White towel, straight up.
Okay, now I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this off.